Staying really casual today with Ellie Sparkly. Hello, welcome back to another vlog. Right now I'm just getting ready to hang out at a cafe and I will see you there. Staying really casual today with a big loose t-shirt and some shorts. No, I was just editing my vlog. Hi, Juby. Clink.
Gotta get a little bit of ice
A
cream.
little bit of everything. It looks really crumbly and delicious.
Caramel, what do you think? It's hot.
Ooh, it is?
We're going to Avli. Avli. Why you laugh? Why you laugh? People.
Where'd you
Who's
park?
on? Down there.
Help.
Huh? Where is
You
it?
just gotta push it up. Oh. Hey guys, it's a really nice day today and I'm headed out to Flushing right now because my friend is coming all the way from Brooklyn and she wanted to try some good eats around Flushing. So yeah, we're gonna probably get some classic bunshik at Sodam and then walk over to Murray Hill because she really wants croffles. So I thought croffle house, perfect. And then we'll probably go get bingsu afterwards. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm hungry. Getting a really nice walk in right now because I decided to just walk to Flushing since it's not that bad of a walk. It's actually like 40 minutes, which isn't too bad, I think. But I'll get a nice exercise in before I stuff myself. I'm like the opposite of it.
No, that's what I'm saying.
So I went to the Japanese market the other day and I picked up one of these Kamikaze Dressing. It's basically like a sweet miso, a little bit savory dressing you put on salads, or it can even be used as a dip, honestly. But right now I'm gonna be making a simple lettuce and tomato salad using that dressing. Only need 2 ingredients for this recipe because the dressing will make everything delicious. And chop into bite-sized pieces. And then drizzle some of this amazing salad dressing. Oh, it smells so good. So yesterday I just peeled off all of my gel mani. So instead of having these disgusting nails, I thought I should paint them. since I'll also be filming like a lipstick video. So I'll just be using this bright neon orange color from Static Nails. I've been really liking this brand actually. The nail polish actually lasts a pretty long time on me, and also when I'm doing house chores, it doesn't chip that easily. We have some really great colors online, and I believe they are clean, so they don't use any toxic ingredients. Plus, the packaging is super cute. I'm using the shade Sunny Face. Love the color. I just filmed my current favorite lipsticks video, and I just realized that I definitely have a type when it comes to lipstick because these colors may all look the same, but they're different. Making some cucumber kimchi. Hi guys, sorry about the messy hair, just ignore that. I'm actually walking to the salon right now to chop off a good chunk of my hair. I actually want it to be like a long lob. Well, that is a lob. So I want it to be a lob. And I've always had long hair. I prefer long hair, but I thought I might as well chop it before I leave to Hawaii in 2 days. Hi guys, so yesterday I went to go get a haircut, and honestly I don't know how I feel about it. She cut off like more than a foot of hair, so there's definitely some getting used to going on, but I know for sure that I don't hate it. I just don't know if I like it. I think I do like it. It's just, I don't know, I'm still making up my mind. And also I think I have to like learn how to style this new lob because I haven't had hair this short in so long. Anyways, I just got back from the nail salon. I don't know if you could see that well, but I just did like these really cute seashell-y, sparkly, pearly nails. Anyways, let me stop rambling and let's get right to packing. So not sure if any of you will find this helpful, but I just wanted to share what I like to bring with me on my carry-on. First off is of course a water bottle. Now this isn't filled just because you're obviously not allowed to bring water through security, but I like to fill this before I fly, and this also helps minimize the amount of times you interact with the stewardess, you know, with COVID and everything. So yeah, bringing my water bottle. Next I have this neck snug pillow, which I cannot travel even 2 hours without this thing. I like to knock out during a flight, and even if I don't, I just like to have this around my neck because it keeps me warm. Next are my sunnies, just because I don't like to put sunglasses in my suitcase just in case they get smushed. Glasses, I never wear contacts on flight because I have this fear of falling asleep with my contacts on. My portable iPhone charger, a must for traveling. And then I have my little pouch full of toiletries and stuff. Well, first off, it's charging right now, but my toothbrush is gonna be here. Some mints, never hurt. Some makeup remover wipes. I like to bring little samples of skincare products that I already love. So here I have the Drunk Elephant polypeptide cream, some sunscreen in case, I don't know, eye drops, floss, a hair roll. I don't know why a hair roller is in here, but it's in here. Tweezers, some lip balm. I cannot go on a flight without lip balm because my lips get so dry. Some Tide to go because I'm clumsy. More moisturizer, a mirror just in case you don't want to walk all the way to the bathroom to use a mirror. And I have a lip tint. And this is because I just like to have some sort of color on my lips, even though yes, I'll be wearing a mask the entire time. But I just like knowing that I have lipstick on. I don't know why. And this pouch I'm actually gonna be taking with me all around Hawaii as we hike and go to the beach and whatnot, because this is waterproof and it's pretty roomy and spacious that it fits a lot of things without taking up too much space in your bag. So yeah, I'm gonna clean the house before we leave, water the plants, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in Hawaii.